15 DIY baby crib ideas to save you money. If you're a parent or even if you're expecting a baby soon, a DIY baby crib is a primary thing you need. Personalize a baby bed with these 15 DIY baby crib ideas. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 1. DIY baby crib. The handsome appeal of darkly stained poplar wood makes this DIY baby crib just the right home for your baby boy. The large backboard at the farther end makes the perfect canvas for creating contrast with lightly stained wood. 2. Moon-shaped baby crib. Sometimes it's okay to experiment with design as long as you keep the functionality practical, like this moon-shaped DIY baby crib, for instance. 3. Baseball bat baby crib. Made from baseball hats, this super cool baby crib makes a fun addition to the nursery and a creative way to show what a loving parent you are. 4. DIY wooden pillow lounge crib. This wooden bassinet propped up with an oversized body pillow is great as a temporary bed to keep the baby in while you're busy with housework. 5. Rounded canopy baby crib. This gorgeous rounded baby crib instantly adds princess vibes to the nursery. No matter how old things get with the years, the canopy above will help maintain that royal look. 6. Rocking chair with a crib. This cute, 2-in-1 crib comes with an attached rocking chair, making it a relevant part of the nursery room even when your baby grows up. 7. DIY circle crib. Building this DIY circle crib is not easy at all, but it's a wonderful gesture of love and will make for some of the prettiest pictures to look years down the line. 8. DIY co-sleeping crib. For the busy moms that don't have time to engage in a full-blown IKEA crib idea, the co-sleeping arrangement works just as well. A custom-sized mattress can be used to level up to the bed, and lashing strips can help secure the ends to the bed, ensuring the crib doesn't move. 9. DIY log crib. Besides the rustic charm, this beautiful crib made from reclaimed logs is easy to assemble and disassemble, so you can always move it upstairs or to a new room in the event of home improvement. 10. Baby crib building guide. This DIY outlines a blueprint plan for a sturdy crib with frame and panel detailing and bars on the front. The design is basic, yet there's plenty of room for adding complexities. 11. DIY baby crib. Made from salvaged wood cut down to the correct size, this baby crib is further supported by adjoining posts, making it even more secure and stable. 12. DIY mid-century modern baby crib. What's particularly incredible about this low-rise baby crib is that it includes a double plywood base to ensure a wider area for the top to sit on, thereby ensuring the safety of your child. 13. Crib for nursery. This DIY baby crib converts into a toddler bed with a tad few hardware changes, and the best part is you can customize it in minutes to fit a smaller room as well. 14. DIY baby crib using pallet wood. Pallets are gorgeous starting materials to fashion a baby crib from. They're sturdy and easily available too, making this DIY even more worthwhile. 15. DIY baby crib idea. The raw unstained finish of wood makes this baby crib look more like a farmhouse aesthetic. What a perfect way to infuse shabby chic charm on a budget. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.